Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Let us highlight what we have studied till now. Class 7, Unit number 1, Odd One In. Rima was actually smart and confident, but unfortunately she is turning into a little snob. At the inter-house singing competition, Rima participated for English song category, and to her surprise, she saw Malti's name in Hindi song category. Rima and her friends decided to disturb and tease Malti when she started singing. But Malti's voice was so melodious that there was complete silence to hear her. So Rima and her friends did not dare to tease her. Their principal was the first one to clap, which was followed by the teachers and students. Malti won the first prize and Rima also won in English category. As the term went on, it was clear that Malti was a bright student, studious and intelligent child. She was good in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics and she was good in maths. All the girls of the class started seeking her help in maths, for which she always helped them. But Rima and her friends still had others' liking towards Malti. They never missed any chance to poke fun at Malti and her English. But one day Malti decided to raise her voice against all this. She said she knows that her English was bad and that Rima and her friends was good. So she asked them to help her to improve her English. To this, Rima replied arrogantly, but Malti got angry but couldn't reply, and she finally started crying. To this, Rima's own friend said that this behavior of all of us is bad and we should not do this. We should not do this. Rima was shocked that her own friends told against her. She realized she was wrong, but she was too proud to admit it even to herself. Now this was the conclusion of the story. Now students, we are going to start with the question and answers for this lesson, Odd One In. Let's revise few of the meanings. Shrugged, raised the shoulders slightly to indicate doubt, ignorance, disinterest. Settling in, it is a phrase moving to a new place and becoming comfortable there. Sniffed, spoke without interest or respect. Insufferable, extremely annoying and unpleasant, more than one can tolerate. Forte, a thing that someone does particularly well. Belied, gave a false impression of something or somebody. Befriended her, became friends with her. Subdued, unusual, quiet. Note down all these meanings in the classwork book. Now let's see the question. Name the friends in Rima's clique. The friends in Rima's clique were Shahnaz, Claire and Neha. Next question. Why did Rima feel no joy even though she came first in her category? The answer to this question is Rima disliked Malti, and though that she would be able to make fun of her singing, however, during the competition, Malti sang so beautifully and has such a melodious voice that the principal, teacher and students all clapped heartily. Rima, who was a snob and looked down on Malti, did not like this one bit. Therefore, she felt no joy even though she came first in her category. The next question. Do Rima and her parents share the same attitude? How do you know that? No, Rima and her friends do not share the same attitude. We know that because Rima's parents defend and praise Malti when Rima criticizes her. They think that Rima is insufferable in her attitude towards Malti. They hope that Rima and her friends will not make things difficult for Malti. They also discuss her attitude between themselves and fear that she is turning into a little snob. The next question is grammar. List all the adverbs ending in ly from the passage. Snidely, beautifully, abundantly, slowly, readily, cheerfully, stubbornly, particularly, mercilessly, roundly, badly. Next question. Make adverbs from the following adjectives by adding ly. The answer is soft, happy, simple, urgent, funny. These are adjectives. To add ly, it becomes adverbs. Soft becomes softly, happy becomes happily, simple becomes simply, urgent becomes urgently, and funny becomes funnily. Next question. Write about Malti and Reema using the following points. Use detail from story and your own imagination. Appearance, studies, singing, attitude towards others and their weak points. Now Malti, appearance was simple with oily hair, bindi and long skirts. While Reema, she was stylish with hair left open and without any oil, no bindi, short skirts. Studies, Malti was good in most subjects, excellent in maths but weak in English. While Reema, average in studies, good only in English. Singing, Malti's had well-trained and melodious voice, sings beautifully. Reema sings well. Attitude towards others, Malti was helpful and respectful, cheerful and friendly. While Reema, she was rude, cattily, snobbish, pokes fun at others and tries to bully others. What are the weak points of Malti and Reema? Malti's weak point was only English language, while Reema's, her attitude towards others was completely wrong. I hope so, students. You must have understood the lesson, written the meanings and the question answers with the grammar. Thank you.